Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Unlimited. This is Amy Jonathan. In today's video, I'll be teaching you few breathing exercises and I'll also be giving you few tips to keep your lungs healthy and safe. Especially during this corona time, the vital organ which gets affected the most is lungs. Many die out of pneumonia and many other things. This is a crucial time where we'll have to keep our lungs very healthy and safe. Here are few exercises which I'll be showing you today, which my doctor advised me personally to do it every morning and in the evening. So you'll be wondering what this device is. I'll be telling in detail about this in this video. This is nothing but a respirometer. So before getting into the exercises, I'll be giving you few other tips to keep your lungs and your respiratory system to function properly. The first and the best one is walking. So many will be wondering what is walking to do with your lungs. Yes, it has many links. So the first thing is, when you walk, you're going to increase your stamina. You're going to breathe in and breathe out. So your lungs is going to enlarge, expand and contract accordingly. So when you walk, you'll have to first start with slow walking. So first go for slow walking. For the first few days you may find it difficult, so you can go for a 5-minute walk, and then you can gradually increase it to 10 minutes walk, and then you can slowly increase it to 15 to 30 minutes. But what my doctor said was a healthy person needs at least 45 minutes of walk every day. So plan your routine accordingly. Especially many of us are working from home, and this is the right time for us to use the time wisely for ourselves. So morning, as soon as you get up, you can go for a 45 minutes walk, and this is going to increase your stamina as well as it is going to help with your respiratory problems. So that's about walking. See, after you walk, is walking going to help you keep your lungs healthy and safe? In addition to that, you'll have to follow certain other things. So this one is called Respirometer. This is the device which my doctor advised me to use every day. I'm a person who has allergy problems. So when I get into certain allergies like dust allergy, I get triggered, and it may even, sometimes I even suffer from wheezing. So this exercise has helped me a lot, and now for quite a few months I'm like feeling safe and fit. So how to use this exercise? Let me show you. You have a pipe here and you have 3 balls. So this is to check how fast you can inhale and exhale. So first let me demonstrate how to inhale. So I'm going to keep this just close to my mouth and I'm going to suck the air in. So let me see if the balls are coming up or not. So you see, you have 3 measurements here: 600 cc per second, 900 cc per second and 1200 cc per second. So if a person is very healthy and if they have a healthy lungs, then they can suck all the 3 balls at the same time. Let me demonstrate to you. Let's see how healthy my lungs are. I think my lungs are pretty healthy now. I'm able to suck all the 3 balls. So when you do this, repeat this at least 15 to 20 times every day. So when you do this, just suck the balls and just don't release it at once. Let it stay for some time, then release it slowly. And this is for inhaling. And let's check how good my lungs is for exhaling. Let me put this upside down and let me blow it now. Actually, if your lungs are really healthy, all 3 balls should go up. But I am able to blow only 2 balls up. So I have to do more exercise and I should take care of my lungs. So if you have children or if you have respiratory problems, you can buy this respirometer. I have given the link in the description below. You can check out this respirometer. It will be very, very helpful. If you have old people like your grandparents or your parents who are 50 plus, this will be really, really helpful. Please buy and use this. The third and the very important tip is breathing exercises. I'll be showing you 4 breathing exercises which you can follow any time in the day, but it is advisable to do it in the morning. So, before going to do your breathing exercise, find a place, let it be outdoor, maybe terrace or your balcony. Find a place where you get clean and fresh air. So, and another thing is, make sure that nobody's around you. Make sure to do this exercise when you're alone, and especially when you have kids around, please don't do it in front of them. You can find a separate place, because if some germs are coming out, it may spread in the air. So you can find an open place where you can do these exercises. So let's get started. The first exercise is I'm going to inhale and exhale. Let me show you how to do this. So what I'm doing here is, I'm inhaling it and then exhaling fast. As you can do this as fast as you can. When you inhale, do it slowly, but when you exhale, you can do it fast. Look at me carefully. I'm going to inhale now. You're exhaling. So this is how you should do this exercise. So this is going to clear your nostrils. The second exercise is you're going to clear your nasal passages. So how we are going to do this is, take your thumb and this finger, now exhale through one nose. Now change it and do through the other nose. So you're going to do this 15 times or even 30 times. So this is going to clear any blockage in your nasal passage. And third exercise, this may look funny, but it's very important, because you're going to clear your throat. So how are you going to do this? You're going to inhale slowly and you're going to exhale through your throat or through your mouth. So how you're going to do it? Let me show you again. You're going to repeat this 15 times to 30 times. The last and the final one is going to be a simple exercise, and here what you're going to do is, you're going to inhale through one nose and exhale through the other one. Let me show you how to do this. So do this very slowly. You inhale and give some time, and then exhale slowly. So these 4 exercises, you can do it any time in the day. I would recommend you to do it in the morning, but if you don't find time in the morning, you can do also in the night or in the evening, anytime. So that's about the exercises. So in addition to this, if you're going out and coming in, you can gargle with salt water and then do a steam inhalation. This will protect you from any kind of infections. It will protect your body from any kind of infections to enter your body through nose or your throat. So in addition to all this, there's another healthy drink which is called coriander dry ginger coffee. I've also made a video on that and given in the description, so you can go ahead and watch that video. It's a very, very healthy drink to keep you away from cold, cough and sinus issues. So follow these exercises and drink the coffee every day to keep your lungs clean and healthy. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed for our channel yet, please click on the subscribe button below, and if you like this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Only then you will get notified on our latest videos. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.